Hard work is the key to successes. Hard work is the key to successes. Nothing can be achieved without hard work. Constant vigilance and preparedness to work is the price to pay for successes in life. Work is a privilege and a pleasure. Idleness is a luxury that none can afford. Man is born to work and prosper in life. Like steel, he shines in use and rust in life. Work is hardship. Life is full of hurdles. Life is action. Activity is the law of nature. Greatness can be achieved by great labor only. If a man regularly exercises his physical and mental organs, he enjoys sound health. Not poverty, but idleness is a great curse. We can sum by saying that greatness and successes live in hard, honest, and selfless work.